So this is a review of the original series Destiny video game for the Xbox One that I would highly recommend. This Destiny is the original one that initially came out, and I still use this and play it with my Xbox One. What you get from here is you get the CD right here, the Destiny video game, and overall it looks very nice. The quality is nice too for the CD, and this is the Destiny bundle pack, is the add-on, and you see it comes with the instruction guides for the video game, and it has another thing on behind it as well too for the Destiny expansion pass. It has that as well too. And overall, I just love this Destiny video game because it's the one of the very first ones that came out, and I'm extremely happy with this video game because I still use it today for my Xbox One, and it really is fun to use. And I would highly recommend this if you want to start out and play the very first series of Destiny.